Russia's hypersonic nuclear glide vehicle. Faster than a speeding bullet, capable of crossing continents in less than 30 minutes, and designed to outmaneuver every missile defense system on Earth. This is the Avangard, Russia's nuclear-capable hypersonic glide vehicle. A weapon shrouded in secrecy, hailed by Moscow as unstoppable, and feared by military planners worldwide. The race for hypersonics. The idea of hypersonic weapons isn't new. During the Cold War, both the United States and the Soviet Union dreamed of warheads that could glide at unimaginable speeds. But missile defense programs in the 2000s, like America's ground-based mid-course defense and Aegis interceptors, pushed Russia to search for a countermeasure. The answer was Avangard, a glide vehicle that could turn missile defense into missile irrelevance. What is Avangard? Unlike a traditional ballistic missile warhead, which follows a predictable parabolic arc, Avangard breaks the rules. After being launched by an intercontinental ballistic missile, such as the UR-100N Stiletto or the RS-28 Sarmat, the glide vehicle detaches. From there, it rides the upper atmosphere at hypersonic speeds, weaving, diving, and maneuvering unpredictably. To radar operators, its path looks like chaos. To defense systems, it's nearly impossible to track or intercept. Performance and power. Russia claims Avangard can reach speeds of Mach 20 to 27, up to 33,000 km per hour. That's more than 27 times the speed of sound. At such velocities, the glide vehicle generates plasma around its surface, making detection and tracking even more difficult. Avangard can carry a nuclear warhead up to 2 megatons, more than 100 times the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Officially, it could be armed with conventional payloads, but its true purpose is nuclear deterrence. Engineering the impossible. To survive hypersonic flight inside Earth's atmosphere, Avangard needs materials that can endure temperatures of 2000 degrees Celsius or higher. Its surface must withstand extreme friction, all while maintaining maneuverability. Every Avangard unit represents years of research, specialized materials, and enormous expense. Experts believe production is slow, and only a handful are deployed today. Deployment and secrecy. In December 2019, Russia declared Avangard operational. The 1st Regiment was deployed in the Orenburg region, mounted on UR-100N missiles inherited from the Soviet Union. Eventually, Avangard will ride atop the RS-28 Sarmat, Russia's newest super-heavy ICBM. But Moscow keeps the exact numbers a closely guarded secret. Western analysts estimate fewer than a dozen are currently on standby. Strategic impact. Avangard isn't just a weapon, it's a message. By fielding the world's first operational hypersonic glide vehicle, Russia demonstrates its ability to bypass US missile defenses. For Moscow, it restores the principle of mutually assured destruction, the guarantee that if Russia is attacked, it can strike back. For Washington and NATO, Avangard represents a new arms race. If one nation can glide above defenses, others must develop their own. Risks and criticism. But Avangard also brings new dangers. Because it is launched from an ICBM, adversaries may assume any launch is nuclear, even if armed conventionally. The weapon's maneuvering may shorten response times, raising the risk of accidental escalation. And with only limited numbers, some question whether Avangard is more political theater than battlefield revolution. Yet even as a symbol, it reshapes military strategy. In the end, Avangard is more than a missile. It is a signal that in the 21st century, speed and maneuverability define strategic power. Whether it changes warfare forever or remains a rare showpiece of Russian engineering, one truth is clear: the hypersonic race has only just begun.